Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. It is officially the holiday season, and today I'm going to show you our version of a gingerbread house, except it's really nothing like a gingerbread house. We actually call it Domek Baby Jagi, which is translated into witch's house. I know, like for Christmas, it's so weird, but it's just what we grew up making every year. This is kind of like our traditional like holiday gingerbread house, if you will. It's really easy. There's really no baking or anything involved. The only thing we used the stove for was to melt the chocolate, make like a chocolate glaze over the top. Really delicious. I cannot wait for Gabe to get older to, pass the tradition on, but we make this every year, and so I'm very excited to share it with you. I hope you guys give it a try and enjoy.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares